Hi Nation, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a quick video for you guys. Someone suggested that I should get stuff from Walmart and give you advice if it's good or not. So I will do that. So here we go. So I don't know if you guys can see. And sorry about the lighting. But this is a vacuum. Let me scoot it more in the light for you guys. We had roommates that has stayed with us and drank and threw up on our new carpets, and I didn't want to pay $100 to get the room they stayed in cleaned, plus ours to get cleaned. So we went to Walmart. We spent about $80 on this. Not that. That vacuum over there is more. But this one we spent about $80 with tax. It was about $95, so under $100. I had to buy some cleaner, which was kind of separate. So, but when you buy this, it comes in kind of a big box. It's actually pretty light. It's about 13 pounds, I think. And then when you add the solution, it's a little bit more. I think it goes up to like maybe 15, 16 pounds. Because you have to add water and solution in this back area. So when you fill it up, you fill it up with hot water. And there's a line on here if you guys want me to really show you. And it's really easy to pull out, guys. It's not as hard. But if you see on there, it has, you can see where it says water. You fill up to that water line with hot water. And then it says solution above that, where you pour in solution, you fill that up to that line. And then I used fabric softener in this, which it made the carpet smell really good, which you can. Just make sure the fabric softener is not going to bleach the floors, the carpets, or change the coloring, or just don't use it. But there's that. You stick it in there. The cord it's fairly decent, you know. And then you have this little thing down here, which comes out very easily. That front part right here. What it has heat force. I don't know if you guys can see that. You just kind of pull it to release it, and you can clean that. I just barely had to clean all the hair and stuff from our carpets, which started the allergies in our house, which was lovely. But it's this vacuum. If you guys don't know, it's called the Hoover Power Dash Pet. So if you guys ever want to try that, I vacuumed our carpets pretty well, and I would say under 2 hours. They do recommend that you do a good vacuuming over before, so you don't have any gross stuff or sharp objects that'll get into that and run it. But it does vacuum pretty well. But as you can see, it's lightweight. I can lift it with one hand pretty easily. But that bottom part, it's really easy. You just push that down. Well, and you just slide it out. There's a little filter thing. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Well, that wasn't supposed to come off, guys. But it just pops out, and it's this little net thing that you have to make sure it gets cleaned. I will have to refix that. But yeah, it just kind of pops back into place after. There's that. And then that's where the dirty water comes in. It does a pretty good job cleaning. For the price we got it for. It doesn't have extra hoses because it's for just normal driving over stuff. And I think I'm breaking this on accident, guys. Just don't tell my husband. He doesn't like when things are broken and he gets on to me about it. But I think I got it back on. So, which is quite nice that it can just kind of pop back on. But yeah, it's a little net thing. You have to usually clean this out. But it just pops right back in there. You just kind of have to give a little till you hear that click. You just take this thing. It does say clean red screen, which is kind of red, orange, whatever color. You just stick this back in there. It's so simple. It's so easy. You have the little red button, so when you push it forward, you push the button. It releases the fluid. And then as you drag the vacuum backwards, it uses the heat and it sucks up the water or the soap or the solution or the dirt, whatever. And this thing has pulled hair out of the carpets. It's pulled a lot of crap out of the carpets that we didn't even know we had. And this place we've lived in for like almost a year. So this thing has done a pretty good job. I've used it a couple times. And it sucks up quite a bit of stuff. So, not saying our vacuum is bad. But if you guys will come back here with me. Sorry for the darkness. This is one of the carpets I just redid. And that's all my husband's car's falling on the floor. But as you can tell, you know, where you would see, because they threw up all right in here. But if you see the carpet, it doesn't even look like it. Like, we've shampooed the carpet. You can't smell it. You can't. I mean, yes, the first time when we pulled it out, we dumped the liquid out, we could smell the throw up. It was so bad. But yeah, you can tell that there's no throw up spots. So, I mean, that little vacuum, it does a pretty good job, like you would think. And remember, I did say these guys drank alcohol, and they threw up on the carpets. But we've cleaned them, we've shampooed them. We use the Pets stuff on it, which it works too. If you guys find other stuff like stain solution or something, you guys can use that too, as long as it goes with the vacuum. I haven't tried stuff from the dollar store yet. Just for the fact of carpets changing colors, and this is brand new carpet since before we moved in, basically. But you can tell just by cleaning it, you know, it still looks pretty brand new. I do like to use fabric softener in that solution because it does make the carpet smell good. The solution doesn't smell that bad. It's just, you know, it doesn't hurt. Like it's just like spraying air freshener, but you're just using fabric softener, and it makes the carpets like really soft. Like, you know, you go into some houses and they're just not very comfortable. Well, you can use a little bit of fabric softener. Don't use a lot, or you'll have it too strong, but you can at least use a little bit of fabric softener, and it makes the carpets really soft. But, yeah, I would suggest that vacuum. to quite a few people. It's not made to take outside, so if you want something outside, they do make smaller versions where you can take them outside, and probably does the exact same thing. But as you can tell, I did vacuum before, and which we do have a kind of another vacuum we got from Walmart, but it's so heavy and it's a pain, and it was like spent $200 on it. So, but yeah, I'm sorry I didn't do another vlog of me actually using it, but that's what it does. Yeah, sorry for the nasty towel, guys. It needs to be, I have to clean it too. But yeah, I would measure it to the size of a person. I would say it's probably stomach height, maybe, for some people. Some people might be a little bit, higher or lower. So, but yeah, it's got 2 pedals in back, where most normal vacuums have the one where you push it down and you can turn it on bottom, or on the side, or on top. But this has, you just push it to release it, and then this turns it on. So does pretty well. So hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a comment down below if you guys want to see me do a cleaning video with it. I'd be happy to do that. Sorry for my cat being in the video. She's attached to me. But her name is Misty, and she's a pretty good girl. She just causes trouble sometimes. But there you guys go. Like, you can kind of see. So, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. Bye.